Sometimes it's not that you want to move, but the house no longer fits your lifestyle. Here are a few signs I see all the time. The bedrooms upstairs are now empty. You're heating empty rooms. They were once filled with beds and desks, dressers, noise, grilled cheese under the beds, pop spilled on the floor, wet towels everywhere, and now they're just storage. Space isn't valuable if it's not serving you. It doesn't necessarily have to be a downsize, but just something else that's going to fit your lifestyle better. If it feels heavy, if you used to once enjoy the yard, but now all you're doing is mowing it, then maybe it's time for something a little bit smaller. And if you find yourself thinking, why are we heating and cleaning rooms we don't use? If you're starting to avoid the stairs and leaving the laundry on the bottom of the stairs to try to plan your venture upstairs, then maybe it's time to move to a one-floor living lifestyle. Outgrowing a home isn't about age, it's about alignment. The right home should feel supportive, not demanding. If your home feels heavier than it used to, that doesn't mean you have to move tomorrow, but the mindset is maybe it's time to make a change. So start tackling those closets, the cluttered basement, start emptying the garage, maybe slap a fresh coat of paint on that house. That way you're getting ahead of the curve, so when you start looking, you've done the work to get your house ready for sale when you find that next home that's going to suit your lifestyle. That means you'll be in a better position when the house is ready to explore your next chapter. If you're wondering what your next chapter could look like, without pressure, without rushing, I'm here to talk. Just give me a call, text, or an email, and I'll be happy to help. A question we get a lot is, how do we downsize, especially for seniors? So we need to come up with a plan, and virtually in 6 steps. Number 1, we have a conversation. We come over, we look at the house, and we decide what's the best marketing plan and strategy for your home. Number 2 is the home evaluation. We're going to review recent sales and comparables and the current actives, your competition, what your home is up against. We want to make sure that your home is priced really tight and be the best in its price point. Number 3, a declutter plan. We want to depersonalize the house because those buyers will be looking at your family photos and not that new renovated kitchen or finished basement. We want to make it depersonalized so the buyers can see themselves in the home, not who has lived there. Number 4, we want to come up with a timeline. If you've already purchased something, it's very important that we're going to line up your closing on your house to match the closing on the place that you're moving to, unless you can bridge finance and get approved for it at the bank. Number 5 is having movers come over and give you a couple of quotes to see who you're comfortable with and align the dates and the times that works for you. Number 6 is closing day support. You want it to be a happy day for closing day. If any hiccups come along, you can definitely give us a call and we'll help you iron them out. If you have any questions or would like to talk all things real estate, just give us a call. A question we get often from sellers is, do I buy first or do I sell first? Well, it depends on your current situation. If you're a senior citizen and you're moving into a senior's home or an apartment, it's best to secure those properties first, because then you'll get the layout of the property and then you can go back to your house and figure out what furniture you want to take or buy new furniture for that place. And then we can help you get rid of the rest and get it ready for sale. So you've secured your property and then we can sell your property. So if you're relocating, it's probably best if you sell first and then you know how much beans in your jeans you're going to have to go out and buy a property in a different province. More than likely, they will not accept a condition on sale in a different province. They don't know the market, they don't know how long it's going to take, and they don't have control over the sale itself. We recently had a client that is moving out east and they were going to come back and get the house ready and then go back again. The problem with that is the market out east is very competitive. Most of those homes are selling in 7 days. So we advise them to sell first and then they have a cottage to go to out east. Then they can take their time to look at that next beautiful, perfect family home for them. They know how much money they're going to have and they don't have to rush. Because in most cases, you can't carry 2 properties. Buying first feels safer emotionally, but selling first is safer financially. Before making either move, you need a strategy. So if you're thinking of downsizing or relocating, just give us a call. We'll be happy to talk all things real estate.